Herzlich willkommen bei IGUS.
Welcome to IGUS, our first time at the Eurobike 2017 in Friedrichshafen. There we shall show you how IGUS products help to improve the increasingly stressed components in bikes. Iglidor plain bearing materials, originally developed for industrial applications, equip bike components to take on the constantly rising challenges of the industry. I'll show you now how this works in detail. For instance, Iglidor plain-bearing materials in the freewheels of wheel hubs help to increase the service life and at the same time lower the weight. For example, Iglidor materials of the J series in the cylinder eyelets of shock absorbers. Thanks to the low coefficients of friction, we achieve optimal response behavior of the shock absorber and get up to 10 times longer service life in these applications than with metal bearings. Due to very low coefficients of friction, plain bearings of the Iglidor J range provide for a very direct response behavior in suspension forks, and in contrast to metallic rolled bushings, which work with a PTFE layer of just 0.03 to 0.05 millimeters, these plain bearings have a significantly longer service life. For your safety, Iglidor plain bearings always ensure the friction-free operation of brake levers. The most highly stressed part of a bike is surely the bicycle pedal. This is where extreme wear resistance is required, as well as resistance to impacts, shocks, and, most of all, dirt. With Iglidor J3, we guarantee a very long service life and also extremely low coefficients of friction for the highest efficiency. Iglidor G plain bearings in the derailleur mechanisms of rear derailleurs always ensure smooth and quick gear changes and defy the adverse dirt accumulation at this place. Due to extremely low coefficients of friction, Iglidor plain bearings of the J range ensure a smooth and jerk-free function in height-adjustable seat posts at all times, either as enclosed plain bearing to press in or piston ring to clip on. We would like to show you in the following example how Iglidor plain bearings replace these brass bushings in a spring-loaded seat post. We are here at the 2017 Eurobike, visiting the company by Schultz. I'm talking to Mr. Schultz, the inventor of a very innovative new seat post. Mr. Schultz, you constructed this seat post together with IGUS. What was the important thing for you? Yes, in this specific case, we equipped the new generation of our seat post with IGUS bearings. This will become the 2018 model series. The IGUS bearings, because of a product improvement in our system, and the brass bearings, which we had used so far, were replaced by IGUS bearings to easily achieve a better response behavior and a longer service life. So, if we summarize it very briefly and concisely, IGUS bearings because because in our case it was specifically designed for our product, which was coordinated with IGUS. We were taken seriously by the project partner IGUS, and the product development took place in Germany. We were integrated in the process, and we are very convinced by the quality, even afterwards in the series implementation. We can provide closer tolerances, and it is useful, and it was a totally positive collaboration. So this means you'll be back to IGUS? Yes, definitely. Thank you very much. Bye.